I just cannot get up with the Joe Malone. I feel like you guys were a little crooked. Hello. So I said in my last video that I was going to do no spend October. It is still September, so don't judge me. I have some perfume here that I wanted to unbox with you guys. Macy's had a 40% off sale on some of their items, and I picked up a few scents. I typically do not like to go on a blind buy and not be able to smell the perfumes first, but I decided to go ahead and try these because I looked at the notes in there, and it seems like they were notes that I would like. And also, I was in the store in Washington, the Joe Malone store, and I smelled a few of their perfumes and I really like them. It's kind of weird because I drove all the way to, I want to say it was Nordstrom. I believe it was Nordstrom, somewhere out there. It was a mall that was probably about 45 minutes away from me. And when I drove there to smell some of the scents that I had been hearing people talk about on YouTube and on Instagram, I'm like, oh, I said, let me try these, because they were just like ranting and raving over these perfumes. And I got there, and some of the scents that were said were just not my cup of tea. It was not scents that I would wear. I'm sure they probably, smell really good on other people, but me personally, absolutely not. So I was kind of hesitant. I'm like this, I don't think I'm gonna like anything Joe Malone. But when I went into the store, there was a lady there. She told me about a few of the scents that she likes. So I smelled them and they actually smelled really good. So I'm going to show you a few of the perfumes that I did purchase. I also purchased 2 perfumes from Amazon that I heard Platinum D speak about. And I thought maybe, I would like them. It's Lattafa, and one of them is vanilla, amber vanilla, and I love amber. So I don't know why I would think that it would smell similar to something with just amber in there, but it does not. So it's Lattafa Amber and Lattafa Fruity. So I'm gonna open up those as well for you can see what they look like, and I will tell you how I perceive the smell to be and if they are good for me and what I thought about them. Okay. So I bought the Jimmy Choo Blossom. Now, Jimmy Choo Blossom, they have different years that they made this perfume. So they supposedly smell a little bit different. And looking at the notes in there, they should smell different. These are the 2 that I purchased. This one was in 2015 and this one was in 2022. We are going to see what these 2 smell like. The 2015 notes, the top main accords were fruity, sweet. Then it says it is rose, floral, fresh, citrus. This one, the top notes are raspberry, red berries, citrus. Middle notes are sweet pea, rose, and the base notes are white musk and sandalwood. So this is the bottle. And if you notice, it has like a darker pink down here and it's a little lighter up here. So the bottles, you can tell that they are different when you look at the 2. Okay. That smells really good. They do say on Fraganta, I guess this website is, that it does not last as long, but it smells really good. It puts you in the mind of Escada, like Escada hippie. If you do know that perfume, all you perfume ladies out there, it's got a hippie. This is definitely something on that lines. They don't sell it anymore. It's discontinued. I used to buy this all the time. It does not give you that Bath and Body Works type of fruity smell. This is more elegant. So this is the one that is in 2022. And this is the bottle. And as you can see, it's a lot, a lighter pink. It doesn't have that hue at the bottom. So you can tell the difference in the two. Again, this one is 2022. And let me get you the notes on this one. The main accords, I'm sorry. This one is fruity, tropical, sweet, citrus, floral, woody, and then white floral. The notes in this one is mango, grapefruit, mandarin orange. Middle notes are raspberry, frangipani, and jasmine. And then the base note is sandalwood. So this definitely should smell a little bit different than the first one. I'll go here on this arm. Don't have to smell spray too much of that one. Okay, so this one is given definitely a lot softer. I don't smell as... Okay, so the dry down on the 2015 one is definitely musk. You can smell the white musk in there. I am smelling more citrus in the 2022. So if you are more of a citrus girl, 2022 Jimmy Choo Blossom is going to be for you. This is definitely more tropical, citrusy smelling. This is more of a musk floral smell. Both of them smell really nice. I think I actually like the 2022 a lot better than, whoop, there it went. Better than the 2015. Maybe I can layer it with something else to give it, you know, just a tad bit more of a fruity, fresh smell versus the dry down being very musky smelling. So moving along to the Jo Malone. Packaging is really cute. This was a set. It was like $48. Didn't tell you the pricing on these. One was $36. One was $39. And those again were on sale. I'm not sure if Macy's is still doing the sale 40% off. This little set was $48. It was not on sale. And of course, we knew it was very small. Because I really wasn't sure about this. I didn't mind it being a small portion or amount that I was getting. So it comes with the body cream. And this is only 5 ounces. And this one is, oh, I'm sorry, 0.5 ounces. 0.5 ounces of the body wash. And then you get 0.5 ounces, or is this one? This is 0.3 ounces of the actual perfume. And the scent is going to be pear sweet pea. So if you can see that. Again, $48 for this little box for like 0.5 ounces of product. So let's see. We're gonna open up the body cream first. Okay. It's not, ooh, it's giving floral. I'm gonna mess around and have to take another shower. Let's look at the notes on here. And again, this is English pear sweet pea. And Dossier does have a dupe for this. It is called Floral Pear. In case you don't want to buy the actual Joe Malone, you can get a dupe for it. It is floral, number 1. Fruity, sweet rose. And it is the rose that I'm smelling that I'm not like really drawn to. The notes on here are going to be pear and melon. Middle notes are freesia, rose, and the base note is musk, patchouli, rhubarb, and amber. Yeah, I'm not liking this at all. And I thought I smelled this in the store. Apparently I did not, because I wouldn't have purchased this. My take on the Joe Malone English pear, this is very, I don't smell any fruit, So this is going to be one of those, I would have to find something to wear with it. Okay, I'm back. I just cannot get up with the Joe Malone. Maybe I'm just not picking the right scents. The blush is another scent that she said smelled really good. Joe Malone blush. I guess I'm gonna have to go in the store and smell that again, because I'm not buying anything else that is Joe Malone that I don't smell up front. To me, this is, I'm not even gonna say grown woman, sophisticated. If you love floral perfumes, then I guess this is for you. But not I. Can't do it. So this is the Lattafa Vanilla. It's the box that it comes in. And I did open this already. This is the bottle. And the scent on here, I sprayed this already. It is very grown and sexy, is what I would describe this as. It has the vanilla musky smell. It's not fruity, but it's more of a vanilla musk smell. This is very grown and sexy. Then we have the fruity, the Lattafa fruity, and this is the box that it comes in. And both of these are amber. Amber fruity, amber vanilla. And again, I have sprayed this one as well. This is the bottle. And the bottles are really pretty. It's going to look so nice on your perfume rack. This one is very fruity. But it's not giving you, it doesn't give you the amber smell in there. It's kind of a musky, fruity smell. So this one is a keeper as well. So if you like fruity, this is more of a sophisticated fruity. The Jimmy Choos are more of a very fun fruity smell. So these are definitely 2 good blind buys. And let this sit for a minute. Again, it smells really nice, but the smell has kind of fainted. So these will definitely not last that long. If you're looking for something that will last a little bit longer, this one does not last as long either. I'll spray this at nighttime to see what it smells like. You know, your sheets usually have the scent on there. It does not. So the Lattafa does not last that long either. These are perfumes that you would definitely have to get travel atomizers if you want to spray them on like later on, depending on if you want to wear them throughout the day. If it's something that you would like to wear, you're just going out, of course, it's already late in the evening, you spray yourself down. it'll last you the couple hours that you're out. But if you're looking for a perfume that's going to last you all day, none of those are going to last you all day. So hope you enjoyed.